morning. I'm Councillor Jeff Manley, the Kenyon councillor, and I'm here with Doug Stidlin. Doug is our Public Works Director here in the Township of North Glengarry. We're on Concession Road, Kenyon Concession Road 6 this morning, and we're having a look. What you're seeing right now over my shoulder is a replacement of a culvert. The Township is very excited about the work that's being done on Concession 6 this year. We are right now replacing 3 culverts on Concession 6, and the second one has just been completed this morning, and one more early next week, I believe. We're at the corner of Kenyon Concession 6 and Dornie Road, and we're just having a look down the road that's going to be redone this year. The Township has invested around $700,000 to complete the remaining portion of Concession Road 6. Last year we completed from Highway 34 westerly about 2.5 kilometers, and the completion now will take place right to County Road 30. This is a project that Council has been looking at for quite some time, and the fact that Concession 6 is a very well-traveled road is a good thing that we're putting our money into this road this year.